In this video, I'm going to teach you how to display two columns on mobile in Elementor. So in order to display two columns, first thing you need to do is to head over to elementor.com. Click onto this Get Started right here in order to create an account. And if you already have one, click onto this Login. So we will use WordPress in order to host our Elementor. So click on this Get Started option right here in order to create an account on WordPress. And once you already have one, click onto this login right here. And you should be able to connect these two together if you add Elementor as a plugin. So here is my actual WordPress dashboard. So into this part, you can just go over and then locate the page that you wish to edit, or you can create a new one. I have in here this page. Click on this edit with Elementor. Now this is that. As of right now, we are currently onto the actual page for the desktop. Let's change the breakpoint into our mobile. So click on this mobile portrait option, and this is what it looks like. So as you can see right here onto our desktop, we have these three images that are side by side, but right now they are on top of each other. So in order to create two that are side by side, you need to head over and then click onto this grid and add them right here. Make sure to edit them on the mobile portrait and choose in here the actual width, height, as well as the columns. I'll choose in here two columns, and this is what it looks like. And for the row, let's just input one row. This is what it looks like right now. So these are now two columns that we can use. And into these two columns, you can add elements by clicking on this plus icon. You can add images if you would want, and they would be side by side from there as well, as you have noticed right here. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.